Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. The highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is making waves in the tech community with a slew of rumored features that promise to set new standards for flagship smartphones, although official details are yet to be released. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature a premium build with a glass front and back, protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2, and an aluminum frame. This combination promises both durability and a sleek, high-end look. The dimensions are expected to be 165.1 by 75.6 by 8.9 millimeters, making it a substantial device with a significant presence. One of the standout features of the Galaxy S25 Ultra is its display. It's expected to sport a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X screen, offering vibrant colors and deep blacks. The display is rumored to support a 144Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth scrolling and an enhanced viewing experience. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely support a wide range of connectivity options. It's expected to be compatible with GSM, CDMA, HSPA, EVDO, LTE, and 5G networks, ensuring global connectivity. In terms of memory, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is said to come in multiple configurations to suit different needs. It will likely offer 12GB or 16GB of RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and performance. For storage, options could range from 256GB to 1TB, catering to users who need ample space for apps, photos, and videos. However, it is rumored that the device will not support memory card expansion, so users will have to choose their storage capacity wisely. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to be a performance beast. It will likely be powered by either the Exynos 2500 chipset or the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 SoC. This next-generation hardware will be coupled with an octa-core CPU and a powerful GPU, Adreno 740 for the Snapdragon variant and Xclipse 930 for the Exynos variant, ensuring top-tier performance for gaming, productivity, and multimedia. Battery life is always a crucial aspect, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra looking at impressive 6000 mAh battery. This should provide ample power to get through even the most demanding days, with 65W wired charging and 30W wireless charging, allowing users to quickly recharge and get back to their activities without long waits. Samsung's Ultra models are known for their camera prowess, and the S25 Ultra is no exception. The front camera, a 40MP sensor, the rear camera setup is rumored to be a quad camera system, with a 200MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide sensor, a 10MP periscope telephoto sensor with 10x optical zoom, and a 10MP telephoto sensor with 3x optical zoom. This versatile setup will allow for stunning photos and videos, with support for 8K recording. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a formidable contender in the smartphone market, packed with cutting-edge technology and features that cater to power users and tech enthusiasts alike. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.